Hey everyone, welcome back to a new series of AI Tool Explorer, where we bring new AI tools and explore that how it works and what it is. And this is why this is the video. This video we are going to take a new AI tool that is called Vibe Code. Okay, I think that tool is very important to know because with the help of this tool, you can bring any your ideas to a life. This is written over here. Okay, it means that you can get any apps or any website only just simple prompt. I think you already have seen that cursor replete reliable, where you have to chat with your AI assistants, and for that you have to need desktop application. You have to run your code and do many more things. But in case of Vibe Code, you don't need to do anything. You have to just you have to just chat with your just assistants like Vibe Code, okay, and they have created your website for a very easily and very easy way like this, where you can see that if just give a prompt, first that you can select model over here. All the models are from the Claude Sonnet 4.6, 4.6, Opus 4.7, everything. Every model is Claude. Claude is a very powerful model to build any of software. Okay, that's why they are using mostly Claude over here, no other tool. And you can select just build website. There is a prompt, already prompt is given. You can change it out like with your references, like what you need. You have to change your prompt that way, and they give you the simple prompt like this. This is the prompt. You can also create web application like AI tracker, calculator, timer, and web automation, design, web app, many more things you can do. Okay, and how you can actually how it looks like when you create any apps like this. Build a personal finance app. Just I need a content management system to track your project like this. Uh, System to track post and analytics. And this is how they create a analytic system. Okay, and you can go finance app. This is a finance app. SaaS tools, and this is very insane. Okay, I've just written simple three-line prompts, and they have created a website or app for you. So this is a tool, and what is the pricing? Let's see the pricing of the tool. So this is the pricing. The plus user you have to pay that $20 per month, pro $50 per month, and max to $200 per month. I think the $20 per month is very good enough first first trying out. If you think that it is actually work and it is actually can helpful to make money to build apps or website, then you can actually pay the $50 and $200. Otherwise, first try out $20 is enough. You can also use free Geo per dollar month, where you can just build one or two apps or website, simple website, because it is not the free tool actually. So, but you can check it out in free. Just how you can think that how it's actually work. Okay, this is a pricing criteria, and this is a video, guys. If you like this particular video, a new explore AI tool explorer, because where you can bring new AI tools, and that actually matters the most. And we'll break it down. Thank you, guys.